Hey guys, it's Rachel and I'm here with Fit29, and today we're going to give you a short and quick 5-minute chair workout. So I know a lot of us are quarantined right now because of the coronavirus. So if you just want to get up and get moving, stay tuned for this video. Alright, so this first exercise is called, my dog is so loud, it's called leg lift around the chair. So we're going to do this exercise for 30 seconds. So all you're doing, moving those legs around the chair. Depending on how high your chair is, will determine like how high you're having to go. So I'm having to go pretty high because we've got tall chairs. So however high your chair is, just keep going around and around. It's gonna work your abdominals, of course. Make sure you're not moving your arms too much. Those are gonna be your stabilizers. And just keep going for 30 seconds. This next exercise is called a cross plank. So like I said before, I have a very tall chair, so I'm going to be at a higher incline, whereas if I were to use this chair in ottoman, I'd be lower, but I'm going to go ahead and challenge myself. So we're going to go at a higher incline. So here we are, we're up, and you're doing a cross plank, so you're just going to go across your body. My hair's crazy. And you're doing this exercise for 30 seconds. Across your body each time. Use your hands to stabilize you. "30 seconds. Alright, so this next exercise is called a seated bicycle crunch. So it's just going to be like your standard bicycle crunches that you do on the floor, but this time you're just seated up in the chair. So here we go. We're going to do this exercise for 1 minute. So ideally you have to drive that leg up. Just going to work those quads. Rotate elbow to knee each time. And I can't remember if I said, but we're doing this exercise for 1 minute. So if you have your phone in front of you, you can use this time to scroll Insta. Check on what everyone's posting on Facebook, FaceTime somebody. You got 1 minute. And just remember, keep driving that leg up. You don't realize how difficult it can be to drive your leg up as you're sitting down in this position. All right, keep going. All right, 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, and 1. So right, next we've got a seated clap crunch. So let me demonstrate really quick. So you're just here, we're seated, raising those knees up again, clapping underneath, 30 seconds. Make sure you're breathing as you're doing this. And guys, like I said, you're not gonna realize how hard it is to literally use your abdominals. Bring up those knees, bring them to your chest, and clap underneath each time. Again, we're doing 30 seconds. And after this, we're gonna take a short, quick break. Ooh, I hit my mark for the day. Now we're gonna do a booty lift. So we're up, we're just holding it for 1 minute right here. Try your best to stay up for the whole minute. If you can't, break it in half. Do 2 30 seconds or even 4 15 seconds. This is really gonna test your abdominals, but try to hold it for 1 minute. You can feel my arm shaking. All right, you're halfway. This is real, I'm not cheating. Really holding this for 1 minute. Hey, Princeton. All right, keep it up. 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. On to our last 2 exercises. This one is just crossing the line, right, left, giving those abdominals some work. We're gonna do this exercise for 30 seconds. Use your hands, kind of like we did in the beginning, as your stabilizers. Princeton, move. All right, keep it up, guys. Almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, so this next and last exercise is called mountain climbers. This is gonna be pretty hard, just like the booty lift, so here we go. 1 minute, and go. Just drive those knees up to your chest each time. Doing great. Spurs. Wait, have to adjust with slipping. All right, 30 seconds. Keep slipping. 15. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So that is the end of the workout. I hope that got you to get up and get moving. For a lot of us who are working from home, I'm sure all of us have chairs, sofas, couches, whatever you can use. Use those to be able to get up and get moving. Always catch your breath after the end of the workout. Make sure you stretch, drink lots of water, stay safe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.